like that one too.
Fuck! Hey, it's time for the poo-poo.
Eh.
Hey, Alaska, I'm gonna play you guys one jam right now. Because right now you guys a little bit cold on the reggae. So we're gonna have to play you one jam. Because I know I heard you're playing Diamonds down that side.
I think you're making some ranch right now.
Nine.
I'm just joking.
Where did Right, should I do it again? Do it again? Now there's bushes out the way now. Go. Jackrabbit.